Ask a language model a tricky math problem, and it'll often give you the wrong answer. Not because it can't do math, but because it's trying to jump straight to the result without showing any work. Chain of thought prompting fixes this by asking the model to think step by step before giving a final answer. Instead of just Su Chu Ting 42, it writes out, "First I need to do this, then the answer is 42. This works because language models are fundamentally next token predictors. When you force them to generate intermediate reasoning tokens, those tokens become context that guides the next prediction toward the right answer. There are two main flavors. Few-shot chain of thought gives the model examples of step-by-step reasoning before asking the real question. Zero-shot chain of thought is even simpler. You just add the words "let's think step by step" to the end of your prompt, and performance jumps dramatically on reasoning tasks. The key insight is that the model isn't actually thinking like a human. It's using those intermediate tokens as a kind of external working memory, each generated token making the next correct token more probable. Chain of thought has limits, though. It struggles with tasks that require true planning or backtracking. The model can still make a wrong turn in step 3 and then confidently reason incorrectly from there. But for math, logic puzzles, multi-step analysis, and code debugging, chain of thought is one of the most powerful techniques available. It costs more tokens, but the accuracy improvement is often worth it. Subscribe to ZapByteAI for more AI explainers, one concept at a time.